back with another one.
All right, guys, so here in front of you is a 2023 Honda Accord. It is a hybrid sport, and what we're going to do today is show you how to remove the actual headlight. To do this, you're going to have to take the bumper off, okay? Now, I'm going to explain to you. For this light right here, which is the passenger side light, you have three 10 millimeters that you have to take off. It's one down in there. Let's see if I can turn the light on. It's one down in there. So we're gonna say one down there, two, and then three. All right. Now you're also going to have to remove this push pin that's right here, that's right up under this plastic piece right here. To remove this plastic piece, there's a clip right here up underneath it that pushes in here, so you're gonna have to pull this out. All right, so let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do is take all the 10 millimeters out first. I'm gonna take this top one off, then the one on the side, then the one that's all the way down in here. You're gonna need an extension to be able to get to the one down in here. So these are the three that you have to take out. Now I'm going to remove the push pin. So you're gonna have to pop this up. This is the push pin you have to remove. There's an actual locking tab right here. So when you pull up on this, you have to clear this tab here. Okay? I don't want to, well, let's pull up on it. See that? The whole light's about to fall out. So you have to pull this locking tab out right here. Okay? There's actually a locking tab here too. If you look, it goes inside like that. That stops the light from falling out. That's how you remove the light. Now what we have to do is disconnect the headlight connectors. Behind the light you have a headlight connector here. So you're gonna have to squeeze right here on the side. Just push in and disconnect the whole thing just like that. Then you have a clip that's here. If you squeeze underneath with a pair of pliers or with your hand hard enough, see that? The whole thing comes out. That's what it looks like. Okay? So this whole light assembly is out. See that? That's how you take that headlight out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this headlight back in. Okay? Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is connect all the wires to the lights first. Now I'm going to make sure that both locking tabs right here on the metal and up above this channel up here by the fender are locked in. All right, so got it in. The next thing you need to do is put the clip back in. The next thing you're going to do is put the three 10 millimeter screws back in, starting with the one down in the inside. And that right there is how you remove the headlight from a 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport.